good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on the day. Today, I'm in my little community of Pedro River. I want to know if I can't come Pedro River and not come in the sweet, sweet river water. Hey, in this river water, you know, it brought back memories, you know. Me remember back in the day when I was a little picnic, I would have come to river with my cousin them, and we would have soap up ourselves with the carbolic soap, and we would have bathed and wash off in the river and then dry off, and sometimes we would have catch sticky, you know. Yes, man, we would have catch sticky, and we would have said, let me see who catch it more sticky. Them, they have memories, you know, my people. Let me tell you. You have to remember where you come from, you know. So my people, when was the last time you go home to Jamaica and go back to the district where you was born? They always have to come back to the district where I was born because my roots is embedded in me. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening or night, any which part of the world over there. Yes, what